Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and a fresh backup. This prevents data loss. Once backed up, record the precise warning wording, app version, and OS build so you can target the fix. Next, close dependent applications and turn off automatic sync or external drives to avoid interference. While doing this, keep network access enabled for updates. You will need to download a patch or log files. Now proceed to the corrective actions described in the next steps. You diagnose by enabling verbose logging and scanning logs for error codes or timestamps that match the warning. Once you identify the root cause, apply the official patch or driver update. If it's a database issue, run integrity and repair utilities. Make targeted configuration changes, reduce retention windows, increase cache size, or modify permissions, and then restart the service. After one restart, verify the warning no longer appears and confirm related processes behave normally before moving to. You finish by re-enabling synchronization and monitoring the system for 24 to 48 hours to ensure stability. Make sure backups run and storage thresholds remain safe. If the warning persists, capture new logs, run the application in safe mode, and prepare a concise escalation packet with error codes, steps tried, and system snapshots. Finally, clear caches, rebuild any indexes, and document each corrective action for future reference. This saves time if the issue recurs and helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.